Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the job safe. Disconnect the battery and put on gloves and eye protection. Once done, get a digital multimeter and the compressor's service specs so you know target resistance and pinout. Now remove any covers and clear access. Locate and label the compressor terminals so you won't mix them up. You're not reading values yet, just setting a predictable, safe workspace and confirming exactly which terminal is which before you test. With the multimeter set to ohms, probe the compressor coil terminals one pair at a time, holding steady pressure and noting resistance. You want a stable reading that matches the manual. A very low value indicates a short. A very high or open reading indicates coil break. Next, test each terminal to chassis ground to confirm there's no unwanted continuity. If your readings are borderline, measure voltage with the system energized while someone engages the compressor, but keep hands clear and communicate clearly. Reassemble covers, reconnect the battery, and double-check that all tools are clear. Now run the system and watch the clutch while measuring voltage at the compressor terminal. You should see the command voltage when it should engage. If the clutch spins but the compressor won't, you've got a mechanical fault. If voltage is present but no clutch action, suspect the clutch coil or relay. Tip: if readings don't match specs, verify grounds and relay function before replacing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.